Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices into QuickBooks Online with Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't have a Zapier account, create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button in the top right corner. Choose the app that will trigger the workflow to start. For this guide, select the app where your invoices are currently stored, such as Gmail or your preferred invoicing software. After selecting your trigger app, set up the trigger by following the on-screen instructions. For example, if you're using Gmail, choose a new email with an attachment as your trigger event. Connect your email account to Zapier and authorize access. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier can retrieve sample data from your invoicing app. Next, choose QuickBooks Online as the action app where the data will be sent. Select the specific action event, such as Create Invoice. Connect your QuickBooks Online account when prompted. Map the fields from the trigger app to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks Online. For instance, match the invoice date, amount, and customer details. Review the mapping to ensure all required fields are accurately filled. Once the mapping is complete, test the action to confirm the invoice is created correctly in QuickBooks Online. If everything works as expected, your Zap is ready to be activated. Name your Zap for easy identification later. Finally, click on Turn on Zap to start the automation. With your Zap active, new invoices will be automatically transferred into QuickBooks Online based on the criteria you set. Regularly monitor your Zap to ensure all invoices are being processed accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.